Hey, Sniffles, there's something I need to tell you. Well, you're my boyfriend, Sniffles.
Well, Natalie, you're my girlfriend.
I believe a girl and Anteater are in love.